Hello everyone and welcome back to my all-in-one $25 business tutorial. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ebe Wazir, aka Ebe the Affiliate, and I started affiliate marketing this year, January 1st of 2022. And I just want to show you all some things that I do to make money online as a beginner with no experience. So if you're coming into this wanting to find a way to make money online with no experience, then I would highly recommend doing affiliate marketing because you really don't need any experience to get started with this. And I have some training videos that'll walk you through step by step every single thing that I do. And I have them on my channel and you can find them in my playlist as well. I'm making one. The one that you're watching now is for the all-in-one $25 business, but I'm remaking it. But if you watch these first two videos, I go more in depth of what all is on the inside, like what kind of trainings you'll get from the CEOs of the company and stuff like that, and what all you get for $25. So go watch those first two videos and it'll be more in depth than what's in this playlist. But I go over a lot in those first two videos. I also have one for Savings Highway Global. I just joined this one July 29th, so this is the newest program that I started promoting. And I've already generated a team of over 50 people. So I already have a team of over 50 people generated on that one. And I have a webinar you can watch. They just have one August 30th. That's what the first video is. Then I do a review in this video. And then I go over the compensation plan in this video. So be sure to check those out as well. Then the first product I ever promoted and the one that I made the most money off of so far is this high ticket affiliate marketing series training course. But it's called Multiple Income Funnels, the name of the program. And it's high ticket because it does cost a lot, but you can make up to $3,200 commissions. And I walk you through how I generated sales promoting that company. And I also have a ClickBank series where I teach people how to make money promoting ClickBank products using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. So I walk you all through step by step how I do that as well. So all these training videos are step by step. You just follow what I do and you should be making money as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue where I left off. So far, we should have our domain created. We should have connected that domain to our funnel builder. First off, you need to click on the link where it says click here to get started, and then follow all of these steps if you are not up to par. Or you can just start this video series from the very beginning. I would highly recommend watching these videos from the beginning. Or if you're not going to watch the videos from the beginning, then follow this little spreadsheet that I have here that says action steps to take today. And I have a file that tells you what to do every single day. You could read it and walk through it as well. So we should have our own domain created. We should have that domain connected to our funnel builder. And then we created a business email address. And then we got a autoresponder for that business email address. And then I taught you how to confirm your email address and how to authenticate it so we don't hit the spam box as much. And then I showed you how to set up your autoresponder. And now today we're gonna connect our autoresponder. So we have it all set up. We should have all of our emails inside of our autoresponders. Now we just need to go ahead and connect our autoresponder. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into our funnel builder. And I also have the links in here too. So when you're following along, if you need to log into your funnel builder, you can just click here, then click that, and it'll take you to the login page to your funnel builder. I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick. All right, now once you get to this page, if your page does not look like this, then I'm going to walk you through the steps so you can get this page right here because this one is the highest converting one. So if your page does not look like this is what you're going to do. You're going to come over here and click where it says funnels. And it kind of looks like a funnel too. Kind of looks like a little funnel. So we'll click on funnels. And you might have something different right here, but it don't even matter. What you're going to do right now is you're going to click on add new step. Then you're going to click page. Now from here on the far left in the categories, we're going to select Fastlane affiliate. So click on that. Then you'll have to scroll back up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to select this one right here on the right. Now I'm not going to select it because it's already selected, but you all will click on that button that says select. And then it should bring you to this page that looks exactly like this. Okay, now the next thing we need to do, we need to come back over here to funnels. Now if you have more than one funnel set up, delete whichever funnel is above the one that you just created. So if you have more than one up here, then you'll just click on this gear icon, then you'll just click on delete and delete it. And you'll just make sure that this is all the way up. If you have more than one, just make sure that this is all the way up at the top. And to move that to the top, you'll just click on these little dots right here. Click and drag, so you'll hold it, and then you'll just move it up to the top. But since there's only one here, this is exactly what I want. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on this gear icon. You're going to click on show settings. And you're just going to name your page. So since this is $25 for freedom.com, I'd name my page $25 for freedom. So have it tied in, because whenever they go to your website, that's what it's going to say on the page. Let me see. $25 for freedom.com. See up here in the tab, it says $25 for freedom. So whenever people have that tab open, that's what it's going to say. Whatever you name, whatever name you put in that box is what it's going to say in this tab right here. So give it a name. Now right here where it says page URL, just type main. Just make that main. Then you'll just click save. All right. So I'm going to click out of here. After you click save, it should just bring you back to this right here. And if you did everything correct, and if your funnel is up here at the very top, then your domain name should be right here in the top right hand corner. So make sure the domain name is exactly like you typed it, and it doesn't have a backslash or anything behind it with any extra words. If it does, then just refresh your page and it should be gone. As long as your link is at the top of the funnels, this should be your main page. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this form right here. This form where you enter your name and email address. Just click on that form, and then click on this gear or tool icon or gear icon, whatever you want to call it. And it says edit settings. So we're going to edit the settings. So the form name, I type in all-in-one business. I'm going to put all-in-one $25 business. And then right here where it says thank you page, you're going to click on that link. And then right here, make sure that you have it selected for external link. And then for the URL, we're going to have to grab our affiliate link from our SAM cart. So log into your SAM cart. And I have it down here as well. You can click on the stat or in the link right here, and it'll take you to SAM cart. Then we're just going to log into our SAM cart. And I did get $100 come in on the 9th a couple days ago. So y'all can see my commissions went up. So the link that we want is the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. So we're just going to click on this copy button right here. And we're going to come back over to the funnel builder, and you'll just paste in that link right here. Then you'll hit select. All right. And you could click away, and then be sure to click save up here at the top. All right, now we're going to click on this form again. No, we're not. The next thing we need to do, we need to connect our autoresponder to this funnel builder. So to do that, we're going to click on this tool icon on the far left that says funnel settings. And then we're going to click on where it says applications. Now I already have mine connected. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on add application up here, and GetResponse will be on the list over here. As you can see, I already got mine, but you'll just come to where it says GetResponse, and you will click on connect, and then a window will pop open. Now what you need to do is you need to come over to GetResponse. You can sign in to GetResponse, and you can get there from here too. But you'll just go to getresponse.com and log into your account. Then over here, you'll click on Tools up here at the top left. Then you'll come all the way down to where it says Integrations and API. And then we'll click on that. And then we'll come over here to this tab that says API. Then we'll click on that tab. And now you see I got 4 contact lists created. You want to select the contact list that you want for your funnel builder. So for this one, I'm using the $25 for freedom contact list. So I would just click copy. Let me know that my API key has been copied. And we'll come back over to the funnel builder, and you should have that box open. And then you would just paste that code right inside of that box and then hit save. And then your page should look like this. It should show your GetResponse has been connected. In the settings, yep, that's the window that should have been popped up, something like that. So you would just enter that code, then hit save. I don't know if it says save and verify or just save on your end, but you'll just click that and you'll be ready to add your GetResponder to this funnel builder. All right, so now we're going to come back over to this form over here with the first name and email address, and we're going to click on that form again. And we're going to click on the tool tab, the tool icon, and edit the settings. So now all we have to do now is come down here to the very bottom where it says GetResponse settings. Click on that, and then you would just select the contact list that you created for this specific autoresponder and for this specific funnel. So for this one, it's $25 for freedom. So I make sure that that one's checked. Then I will hit confirm. Then you'll just click anywhere outside of that box. Then you'll just come up here and click save. Now that is it. Now you want to test your funnel builder as well to make sure that it actually works. So to do that, let me see, I'm gonna go to my Gmail real quick. I'm gonna change accounts. I got so many accounts. Add another account. I'm just gonna do a dummy one for this one. Eve TikTok, we'll do 5. Eve TikTok 005. Log in with my password. Not now. Look at all that spam, 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 spam. All right, so I'm going to delete all that. Try to at least. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter. So what you want to do to test your funnel, you can either click on this right here where your link is, and it will take you to your page. Your page should be live and up and running right now. Like it should be active. Like we're ready to start sending people to this page now. So you can either click on that link right there, or you can literally just type in your link. So $25 for freedom.com. Boom. So whichever way you want to do to get to this page, just make sure you come to the page outside of your funnel builder. You can't test it inside of your funnel builder. So make sure you're actually on the page. So what you want to do now, you want to enter your first name and the best email. So I'm going to do that evetiktok005@gmail.com. Yes, give me access. So if we have this set up correctly, it should now take us to our video sales letter. And what this page is going to do, because our job is to get people to that capture page. That's our main job. Now the video sales letter, it is the video sales letter job to sell the product. So we aren't the sellers, the salesmen or the salespeople. This is right here, the video sales letter. So this is the page that's going to do all of the selling for us. So if people ask you questions, yo, what is this? Yo, what do I get? What do I get? Don't answer the questions. Make sure you send them to this video. This video will answer all your questions. So that's a big hint whenever you're promoting. When people are messaging you, asking you questions, just say, I have a video that will answer all of your questions, or just pretend like you're busy or something, which you're not going to be pretending. Just let them know like, hey, I don't have the time, but this video will answer all the questions. After you watch the videos, if you have any more questions, then feel free to ask. But this is going to do all of the selling. So far, the funnel builder is working. Now, the next thing we need to check, as you can see, I got an email up here. So the autoresponder is working. But there's two ways to check your autoresponder. I'm going to show you in the order that I did it on this paper. So I'm going to come back to the funnel builder. If you click up here on contacts, I'm going to do it real quick because I'm going to show some contacts. Some personal contacts that are my contacts. But my name and my email should be the very first at the very top because I just entered my name and email. So if this is connected properly, if our autoresponder is connected properly, then my contacts should show up. You have made changes. Do you want to save them? Stay and save. No, discard. So there I am, Ebe TikTok 005. So there I am. All right, and another way to check it, and this is very important, and I even put it right here at the very bottom. Important. Click and open up that email, star it, mark it as important and not spam, and click on the links on the inside of that email. We're going to do everything possible to try to get this. See how it's showing up in promotions? That's better than spam because sometimes it'll show up in the spam folder. So if you don't see it anywhere, then just locate it. It might be in your spam folder, it might be in promotions. So as you can see, I got the email from the autoresponder. As soon as I put in my information, it automatically sent me this email, the email that we added to our autoresponder. So that's how cool autoresponders is. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this email. Click on the link for sure. Make sure the link works. Okay, so it took them to our video sales letter. That's awesome. The link works. All right. So some things you can do: mark as important, star it. You see this little star right here? Put a star by it. Like, we're just trying to do all of these things to try to let them know that this is not spam. This is actually coming from a real company. Enable desktop notifications. No thanks. Let me see if there's anything else that I can do to. All right, but that's good. Everything should be set up, so be sure to test it. Make sure that you get the emails. Be sure to mark it as important. If it's in your spam folder, make sure you mark it as not spam. Be sure to star it. And congratulations, you now have a website up and running with the autoresponder that are ready to send out emails automatically to your leads and contacts. So come back in the next video and I will show you all. Let me see. The next video we're going to start getting our apps together that we're going to be using to promote. So it's going to be all applications on your phone. We're going to be using CapCut, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Google Docs. So I'm going to walk you all through step by step the apps that we need and which apps are the ones that we use and how we use them. So thank you all for tuning in, and I hope you all are catching along, and I hope you all are signing up and starting your own online business. It's 2022. A lot of people are doing a lot of online shopping and making a lot of money online. So now it's your chance. So thank you all for tuning in. Come back and see me in the next video.